Hello and welcome to this Dr. Ross Maths key skill video on finding the volume of a similar solid when the surface areas are given. So we've got solids A and B and they are similar. That means in maths that the two solids are in the same proportion. So for example, if we were to double the diameter, then we double the height as well. So they're the same underlying shape. Their surface areas are 15 centimetres squared and 135 centimetres squared respectively. If the volume of A is 50 centimetres cubed, determine the volume of B. Now I like to lay out all the information here in a table that we have. So we've got the surface areas and we've got the volumes for A and B. So we're given the surface areas of 15 centimetres squared and 135 centimetres squared. We're also given the volume of solid A is 50 centimetres cubed, and we're trying to find this mystery volume of solid B. Now note that we have both the surface areas of both A and B, so we could therefore find out the scale factor of surface area. What I mean by that is how many times bigger is this surface area than this surface area. So we just divide the numbers to see how many times bigger one is than the other. So the scale factor, SF, scale factor of surface area, or area, that is equal to 135 divided by 15, and that is 9. So the surface area is 9 times as big. Now it's difficult to go directly from the scale factor of surface area to the scale factor of volume, but we know from a previous video that if we had the scale factor of area, we could find the scale factor of length by square rooting that number there. So if we square root the 9, we get a scale factor of length of 3. And we also saw in another previous video that if we had the scale factor of length as 3, then we could find the scale factor of volume by cubing that number. And I'll have a summary table for this in a second. So we cube that scale factor of length to find the scale factor of volume, which is 27. So we now know that the volume of B is 27 times bigger than the volume of A. So we just need to times that 50, that volume there of A, by the 27. So the volume of B is just 50 times 27, which is 1,350 centimetres cubed. So that is the final answer. So just to summarise how we convert between these different scale factors, if we've got the scale factor of length, scale factor of surface area or area, and the scale factor of volume. If we want to go from the scale factor of length to area, we square the number. And if we want to go from length to volume, then we cube the scale factor. And if we want to go back from the scale factor of surface area or area to length, we do the opposite of squaring, which is square rooting. And if we want to go back from the scale factor of volume to length, then we cube root. So in this particular case, we've started with the scale factor of area, we square rooted it to find the scale factor of length, and then we cubed it to find the scale factor of volume.